Before diving into the exciting world of Assistant for AI creation, it's crucial to establish a clear purpose for your Assistant for AI. What tasks will it excel at? Will it cater to a specific audience, like students or professionals? Answering these questions will provide a roadmap for your project. Identifying your target audience is equally important. Are you building an assistant for AI for tech-savvy individuals or those less familiar with AI? Understanding your audience's needs and expectations will shape your assistant's design and functionality. Imagine you're building a cooking assistant. Its purpose is to guide users through recipes, offer substitutions, and provide cooking tips. Your target audience could be novice cooks looking for step-by-step guidance. Clearly defining your assistant for AI's purpose and target audience sets a strong foundation for a successful development journey. The technology behind an assistant for AI might seem complex, but it can be simplified. Let's break down the key components: AI models, back-end, front-end, and database. AI models are the brains of your assistant for AI, enabling it to understand and respond to user requests. Popular choices include GPT-4 for language understanding and generation, and BERT for natural language processing tasks. The back-end handles the behind-the-scenes work, processing data and communicating with the AI model. Frameworks like Flask in Python or Express.js, in JavaScript can be used for this purpose. The front-end is what users interact with. It can be a simple chat interface or a more complex graphical interface. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are commonly used for front-end development. Lastly, a database stores user information, conversation history, and other relevant data. APIs, or application programming interfaces, act as bridges, allowing your assistant to connect with other services like weather apps or music streaming platforms. Integrating APIs enhances your assistant's functionality. Natural language processing, or NLP, enables your assistant to understand and interpret human language. NLP tools analyze text, identify intent, and extract relevant information, making your assistant sound more human-like. Designing a user-friendly interface is paramount. A clean, intuitive interface makes interacting with your assistant enjoyable. Consider factors like button placement, color schemes, and overall aesthetics. A well-designed interface should be accessible to all users, regardless of their technical expertise. Remember, simplicity and ease of use are key to a positive user experience. Start with basic features like answering simple questions, setting reminders, or providing weather updates. Once these core functions are solid, progressively add more advanced capabilities. Context awareness is a powerful feature that allows your assistant to remember previous interactions. This means it can understand the flow of conversation and provide more relevant responses. User personalization takes context awareness a step further. By learning user preferences and habits, your assistant can tailor responses and suggestions to individual needs. For instance, a personalized cooking assistant could remember dietary restrictions or favorite cuisines. This level of personalization enhances user engagement and satisfaction. Section 5. Putting your assistant for AI to the test, ensuring quality and functionality. Testing is a critical phase in Assistant for AI development. It ensures your assistant functions correctly and provides a seamless user experience. Unit testing focuses on individual components, ensuring each part works as expected. Integration testing checks how different parts interact with each other. User testing involves real users interacting with your assistant for AI. This provides valuable feedback on usability, identifies potential issues, and helps refine the overall experience. Thorough testing throughout the development process helps to identify and address bugs early on, leading to a more robust and reliable assistant for AI. Section 6. Launching your assistant deployment and domain setup. Once your assistant is thoroughly tested and ready for the world, it's time for deployment. Cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure offer easy ways to host your assistant. These platforms provide the necessary infrastructure and tools to make your assistant accessible to users. Choosing the right platform depends on your specific needs and budget. Next, you'll need a domain name. This is your Assistant for AI's online address where users can find and interact with it. Select a memorable and relevant domain name that reflects your assistant's purpose. This helps users easily remember and access your AI creation. assistantforai.com, for instance. Section 7. Keeping your assistant sharp. Monitoring updates and user feedback. Launching your assistant for AI is just the beginning. Continuous monitoring is crucial to ensure smooth operation and identify potential issues. Track performance metrics like response time and error rates. This data helps you optimize your assistant for AI for better performance and reliability. Regular updates are essential to enhance your assistant for AI's capabilities and address any bugs or vulnerabilities. Actively seek user feedback to understand their needs and make improvements. User feedback is invaluable for refining your assistant for AI and making it truly exceptional. Section 8. Spreading the word. Marketing your assistant for AI. With your assistant for AI up and running, it's time to let the world know. Effective marketing strategies are key to attracting users. Search engine optimization, or SEO, helps your assistant for AI's rank higher in search results, making it easier for potential users to find it. Content marketing through blog posts or articles can showcase your assistant for AI's capabilities and benefits. Engaging with potential users on social media platforms can create buzz and generate interest. A well-executed marketing plan helps your assistant for AI reach a wider audience. Section 9. Responsible AI, ethical considerations and privacy. As you create your assistant for AI, it's vital to consider the ethical implications. Ensure your assistant for AI is used responsibly and does not perpetuate biases or harm. Prioritize user privacy by handling personal data securely and transparently. Clearly communicate your data collection and usage policies to users. Transparency builds trust. Explain how your assistant for AI works, its limitations, and the data it collects. By addressing ethical considerations and prioritizing user privacy, you create a responsible and trustworthy assistant for AI that benefits users while upholding ethical standards.